And with me in studio now is Dean James. He's the CEO of IMGG, IMGG is their stock symbol. Dean, it's a little while since we talked to you.
It has been a while, Don. Good to see you.
What's new?
I'm here to let you know that we're close to sending in our request with the FDA to meet them face to face. So this is ending our first phase of our process of getting our FDA submission redone. We're excited about it. I think within about 1 to 2 weeks we're ready. We've done a lot of work, setting up the protocols that we discussed before, the image evaluation protocols. So we're going to send that over to the FDA and request a meeting and hopefully get to meet them face to face really soon.
It's really a 180-degree departure from the way you did this the first time. I think the first time you went at it, headstrong, knowing it was going to happen, and then it didn't go your way. You've basically gone into intense planning and preparation this time around, haven't you?
Well, absolutely, and I have to. I mean, you look, this process has taken so long, and I probably underestimated the complexity of the FDA process as it's changed. And so after not really getting approval last go-around, I finally said, we really need to pull out all the stops. We need to get every consultant that we can get out there to help us, assist us to get this thing through.
If you had to point, I don't want to say point a finger, but I can't think of another term right now. If you had to point a finger at what you think might have been the biggest single problem that has caused all of this, what would you say it was?
Wow, that's a really good question. I think really and honestly is I underestimated the changes that were taking place within the FDA. And didn't realize what's different. I don't think I've done anything wrong, or we've done anything wrong. I think the process is just a lot more complex than it's been in the past.
Well, you had done 4 of these previously successfully, and so you didn't anticipate there'd be any kind of delay or problems. But you're saying, and I think most people realized, a lot of changes happened not only in the government but at the FDA specifically in the interim.
Well, correct. I mean, halfway in this process, we had a management change. We've had a change in our reviewers and whatnot. But I think, if you look through, there are tons of articles out there from, VC companies and other, medical device companies that are complaining about the very same thing, that the process of a 510K has actually changed significantly. So it's not just me, I don't want to just say that it's not just me, but, our company and our problem isn't unique, in the marketplace today.
Well, Dean, for people who've been watching the company these last couple of years, specifically shareholders as well, what messages of encouragement might you have for them?
Well, I think the bulk of the road is behind us. I've seen where our problems have been in the FDA process, and I've gotten help, significant help. I think we're up to 4 different consultant groups that are working with us right now. And, yes, it is pricey. It's going to be a lot more expensive, but what the point is getting past this milestone, getting past this FDA milestone. So it's not really about the money, it's about getting this product to the marketplace. And as shareholders, that's exactly what they want me to do. So, yes, we've made mistakes in the past. Yes, this process has taken longer, but I think the majority of that's behind us now.
The best analogy I can think of is like filing for a trademark, for example. I mean, if you do it yourself online, which you can do for $300, you're probably not going to get it. You hire a law firm for $3,500, you get it. It's kind of funny.
Well, exactly. And with the caveat is that it's not that I went into it without having any experience, without having a background in it. I think though that everyone should say, at one point in time, know that they need help to get through the process, and that's what I've done.
IMGG, IMGG. Dean will be waiting with bated breath for the next update.
Definitely. Thanks, Don.